Welcome to Garage Door Canada. Hi, I'm Walt with Garage Door Canada. Thank you for visiting. I'd like to show you around our showroom a little bit. What we have is we've put together a number of Richards Wilcox display model doors. Here we have 3 working doors, all on motor operated units with controls and accessories that you can see if you come and visit us. The Richards Wilcox product is manufactured here in Canada since 1912. It comes with a trusted lifetime warranty. If you'll follow me, I'll take you in to show you some of our display units. There's many styles to choose from. Carriage overlay doors are a beautiful enhancement to many types of properties and homes. There's several colors and finishes that are available, including steel insulated wood grain product, which is available in a light oak, a dark oak, and a cherry wood. We have, as you can see, we have the longer panels, which are called ranch panels. We have shorter panels, which are called colonial panels. And if you choose, we can even mix and match, so you can have a variety of both longer and shorter panels. And depending on your door, they can be the mixed panels can be configured in a variety of different ways here. So with the color choices that you have, several colors: white, taupe, gray. And we have some sort of obscure colors too, like green and so on. With the color choices, the style choices, and the many different window varieties that are available, you can truly find something that suits your own personal taste, and more importantly, will suit the style of your home. Our inventory was designed to cover most standard colors and styles so that you can get quick delivery of the product if you choose, and quick installation. It has also obviously allowed various savings with volume discounts and freight savings. Custom doors and applications are fairly quick through Richards Wilcox. You're looking at about a 2 to 3 week delivery. Thanks for dropping by, and we hope to see you again.